When you wake up, you can start getting more muscular. How is that? By integrating these morning routines that we are going to be sharing with you, you can build muscle faster. So, stay tuned to Pars Health TV channel. Number 11. Wake up early. Early birds reap many advantages. Some of these advantages are mentioned here. You can go through your morning habits calmly instead of running around like a chicken with its head cut off being rushed. You will have time for meditation and getting yourself in the right mood. The peaceful morning hours are an excellent time to get things done. You can start early on your plans, such as doing an everyday workout or tackling a 30-day challenge. Waking up early will also let you have time for your delayed work. Number 10. Take a cold shower. A cold shower in the morning may not be directly associated with this list of morning habits to build muscle faster. Although, it can increase your energy levels, boost your mood, and enhance your mental problems. This, in turn, will support your ability to do things that you might feel awkward in the gym or are just not happy with. Number 9. Drink warm water with lemon. After brushing your teeth, it is best to drink a tall glass of lukewarm water with some drops of lemon, or you can squeeze one whole lemon in it. This is an easy health tip that will have many benefits for your body, such as cleaning and stimulating the liver and kidneys. Lemons have lots of vitamin C and antioxidants, which aids in protecting you from catching a cold or flu. Drinking lemon water alkalizes the body. When the body does not have adequate alkalizing substances and is too acidic, it takes these substances from the bones or other vital tissues. The antioxidants of lemons fight free radical damage, which supports your skin looking young, refreshed, and healthy. You can utilize a straw for drinking your water with lemon in the morning to protect the enamel on your teeth from the acid in the lemon. Number 8. Big breakfast. You may think you don't need breakfast to build muscle, but that's not true. It's a good idea to begin your morning with a meal if you want to maximize muscle growth. That's because you require excess calories to build muscle and gain weight without increasing your body fat ratio. You've already heard it tons of times, but I'm going to repeat it. Breakfast is the most necessary meal of the day. A healthy breakfast contains lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocado or peanut butter. You'll gain all of the following advantages from eating a healthy breakfast. You'll feel less hungry throughout the day. You can focus and concentrate better. Skipping breakfast is tied to being overweight because you will have more calorie intake through the other meals. You'll have more energy and feel more refreshed. Number 7. Do a stretching routine. A morning stretching habit will loosen your muscles after sleeping and hard workouts the day before. It also boosts blood circulation to your muscles. Taking 15 minutes to do a few yoga poses will let you connect your body, mind, and breath in preparation for the day ahead. Get your workout done as soon as you wake up. If you are busy or are simply exhausted after a hard day's work and don't feel like going to the gym, you should consider training as early as possible because if you postpone it, you won't do it. Any exercise is better than no exercise, preventing you from sabotaging your plans. Number 6. Eat lots of protein early on. Protein is very filling, one of the most essential substances needed for the body. This macronutrient is responsible for muscle growth in the body. The difficulty is eating sufficient protein and still being hungry to eat more calories as you bulk up to build muscles. Eating an adequate amount of protein early in the day with your breakfast guarantees eating enough of this macronutrient to build muscle. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Supplement with vitamin D. Research indicates that vitamin D levels impact strength development, training performance, and exercise recovery. If you live where you don't get too much daylight, consider supplementing vitamin D to build muscle faster and help your body to be healthier. Number 4. Meditate. According to a 2019 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, stress is terrible for your well-being. It can impair muscle growth and your gym performance. Being stressed also negatively influences how well you can recover from your activities. So if you can, meditate. Begin your day with calm by meditating in the morning. Meditating does everything from enhancing your focus to relieving stress, improving emotional stability, and controlling common health ailments. You can initiate simply by concentrating on your breath for 3 minutes each morning and build from there. To meditate, you can sit in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and concentrate on your breath. Inhale for 5 counts, retain for 5 counts, and exhale for 7. Every time you feel your mind wandering, get it back to your breath. Do this for 2 to 4 minutes. Number 3. Wake up around the same time. Waking up and going to bed at a specific time every day is one of the most suitable ways to improve the quality of your sleep. A study demonstrated that people with a regular sleep plan tend to be leaner than people without a specific sleep schedule, regardless of how many hours they sleep every night. Number 2. Get rehydrated. While sleeping, the body loses water by sweating or breathing through the mouth. When you wake up, you will be slightly dehydrated, which damages muscle growth. So, drinking water when you wake up is the first thing you should do every day. Number 1. Get bright light exposure. Exposure to sunlight early in the morning of each day can benefit your circadian rhythm, also known as your inner clock, which impacts a wide range of physiological processes, like the release of hormones. By getting sunlight early in the morning, you will tell your body that it is daylight, and it can enhance your feeling of alertness, vitality, performance, and enthusiasm. Your morning routines can make or ruin your day. The 11 habits above are guaranteed to begin your day right. Live your best life by making good morning habits. Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And watch more of our unique videos on the left and right of your screen.